Hey, welcome back to Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott here, and if this is your first time visiting, um, again, this is Rolling Country Outdoors. We're on about 3.5 acres here, and my wife and I do all kinds of projects around the house. We built this barn that we're in right now to house our RV. We're going to be doing some work in here again today. We got the tin cut for the outside, for the gutters to be put on, but we're going to be putting lights up here, inside light up here, and then an outside light above the star. But yeah, so we're on about 3.5 acres. We've got all kinds of projects we do on this channel, and yeah, we're going to start on this today. So hang tight, we'll get started. I got that extension there, so I should be able to get on both sides. If that gets me high enough, I'm not sure. That may not get me high enough. Yeah, that won't. Must come on one side or the other. But let's try to get a hole at least through here first. Let's do that. If I remember right, we got a metal piece right in the middle, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to go to the side a little bit. Okay, so here's the light. And I think it can go somewhere about right there. I drill right there, see if we get through. Okay, we're through the first layer. I'm just hoping we don't run into the truss in there because that's metal. I won't be able to get through that. Yeah, my blade is extremely dull, or we're hitting something. I don't know. I think we're through. All right, let me. I don't know if I'm going to be able to push a wire all the way through there or not. Guess I can try. We'll see. See, you see outside there. All right, I'm going to try to get this wire outside through that hole. I think we got it. I think we got it. All right, and I'm going to come right down this side here. Let me go ahead and staple these in while we go. Well, drop the first one. Man, it is hot up here. Holy mackerel. Okay, we got to put this light up here too. So let me stop and. Okay, so how we're going to mount this? I've got a box we're going to mount right here. Wire will come in for the light here, and then we'll go back out and then over for the. Oh, yeah, for the switch. The switch is down there, so we'll get power coming in and power going out right here. So. Okay, there we go. Now we can get that wire in and go right back out. Okay. Okay, that'll be the wire coming out. So let's get this tacked in. And I've got water coming down my face. It's so hot out here and it's muggy. I mean, it's not terribly hot, but it's just so muggy. It's ridiculous. Alright, found a screw to put in here. That should work. I'm going to do that by hand. I don't want that one to break. Alright, pretty straightforward. I'm going to tie all the whites together, blacks together, and brown. I'm going to tell you, there is no breeze blowing at all. We're in the middle of August, and looking at the extended forecast, I think this is probably the last really hot day we're going to have. Looking at the 10-day forecast, after that it starts to cool down a little bit. Be a nice relief, because it's been hot. I'll go ahead and cut this a little bit shorter. If I can find my cutters. There we go. Alright. Now all this gets shoved in here. And then this. Instead of going back up with this line over there, I'm going to go right on top of here and over. I don't know why all this is going back up there. So I'm going to take this back out. And reroute it down here. Okay, I got the wire ran from there over here on top of here. Now I'm about to go through there and come down this side so we can go down the wall to the switch down there. So that's what we're working on right now. But the light's hooked up, it's ready to go. Then we'll go out there and do the outside light, which is up there. So hang tight, we'll get rolling here. This is a brand new bit. It should work. Alright, that all works much better with a new bit. let's go get the outside light before we get this switch hooked up. That way there's no power out there. Go knock that out. Okay, we're up here outside. Going to get the outside light here hooked up. I think there's another wasp nest in there. Okay, I gotta cut these. Give me a little bit more wire on here, makes it easier to put the wire nut on there. I put the tape on there so the wire nuts don't back off on me. This is adjustable here depending on your angle of your light there. So, and if you put them straight like that, they're going to be crooked. So you've got to get them. You got to get them straight. So I'll put this on there. Get it level and tighten it down. And last but not least, the bulb. Alright, there we go. Well, let's go get the other end hooked up. No breeze whatsoever.
You're inside a building, sir.
It's still, usually there's a breeze coming through. I mean, at all. Okay, I gotta turn this off. And on their light switch, your two black go on there, your ground goes on there. Yeah, and then you tie your lights together. Turn the breaker on. See what we have. Oh, look at there. We have light. Oh, that bottom light, I guess that's the, what'd you call that? The ambient light? Yeah, there's lights on out here, so.
Let's go and look. Yep.
We got both lights installed. There's the inside light. We have the switch down here. I gotta find those covers for them. And then we have the light above the star here. So I'll come back out tonight in the dark and I'll see what that looks like. It should look good. The light should be going off. I just turned the switch on, so it should be going off. So we got the two lights in, got the switch in, and as usual, it takes longer than I expected it to take. Shouldn't have taken as long as it did, but pretty much took the better part of the day. But anyway, we're gonna do some cleaning up around here, and thanks for watching Rolling Country Outdoors. We'll catch you on the next video. Take care. Okay, this is what it looks like at dark time. So the light really lights it up in here. The motion worked. I'll show you what it looks like outside. This is outside. Looks real good over that star.